welcome to the stage Katia Dean with her speech, Road to Web 3. Katia Dean, Road to Web 3.
Hi everyone, my name is Katia. I'm going to share my journey into Web3, and hopefully you all will get educated today and explore this exciting new industry. What are we going to cover today? Intro to Web3, intro to blockchain, and my overall journey and how I started in Web3. So what is Web3? Web3 is basically the evolution of the internet. It's the new phase where basically you will be able to own any of your content or anything that you create. As you can see here, Web 1, it was about basic pages. Web 2 is somewhere where we in right now, where we have our LinkedIn, social media, and we basically do not own anything that we create. However, in Web 3, you will actually be able to own what you create. Some examples from Web 2 to Web 3. Right now, we currently use browsers. A Web 3 browser that we can use is Brave. We use storage right now, which is Google Drive or Dropbox, and we'll be able to use IPFs or Story. And intro to blockchain. Blockchain technology basically is a ledger where you'll be able to create your own thing. So example here, and if anyone is out there in cybersecurity, this might look a little familiar, but how does the blockchain work? Well, Alice wants to send Bob some money. The transaction is on a block. The block is broadcast to all the networks. The network approves the transaction. The block is added to the existing blockchain, and then the transition is complete. Now that you all understood just the little basics of Web3 and blockchain, let me share my journey. So if anyone knows me, I do not like to code. I run away from code because it's just so difficult. So I said, let me get outside of my comfort zone and start to code. And once again, it was very intimidating, but I'm very proud of myself. So some things that I actually did to overcome my fear is that I enrolled into some more educational courses. So what have I created so far? I actually enrolled in the Odyssey Bootcamp where I actually went through a game where I actually created my own cryptocurrency. So I have the Dean token that's out on the Polygon network. I also created about 14 smart contracts and decentralized applications. And I also enrolled in Learn Web3 DAO, which is basically an organization for Web3 developers. And so far, I went through the freshman track and the sophomore track where I created decentralized applications. I created a few websites using Solidity, React, and Next.js. I also took it upon myself to get some certifications because I always try to be ahead of the game. But what is my overall journey and what do I really want to become in Web3? I actually want to become a developer relations advocate, or sometimes it's called a developer advocate. And that's basically someone who is connecting the developer community with software products. So a little bit something that I'm already doing right now, but it's like very exciting, and the Web3 space is exciting. So hopefully today I was able to share with you all a little piece of some new technology that you all will explore in the future. And if you want to connect with me, you could catch me on Twitter at KTSSciLife, or also connect with me on LinkedIn